Welcome to Camps World! Hello, it's Saturday and we're going to Toronto. We're gonna ride the train. Do you wanna ride the train?
Yes.
Yes? We're gonna stay in Toronto for a couple of days
Uh-huh.
and come and join us.
Give me the wine now.
Patrick, what do you want?
Oh, the wine.
What you gonna say?
Please.
What is it you want? This one?
Uh-huh.
Dun, 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 dun. What you gonna say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Uh,
What?
uh,
What's the flavor?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. We're here. Just get off the train. Look at Patrick. He's just enjoying his cookie.
There you go, man.
Having your drink as well, Patrick? Before we go to the beach? So we're here. Now on the beach. Right, Patrick? Like the beach?
Uh-huh.
It's nice.
Huh?
Gonna ride the tram, Patrick.
Sekarang nanti aquí.
So we bought a takeaway from Popeyes for 35 Canadian dollars before tax. They got 4 chicken burgers with chicken tenders and large fries, and we make an add-on of the gravy. Good dinner for tonight. Did you have a fun day?
I need a drink.
Okay. How's your chicken?
It's good.
It's really good. Love it? You love Popeyes? Okay. You've been a good boy today.